Hey everybody, so I got an item free for testing. It is a magnet. It's actually a quite large magnet. It's about this big around. Says it will do 65 pounds of magnetic pulling force. This is just going to be an unboxing and a look at it, and I'll do the review later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there. Alright, so here is the magnet that I got for review, free for testing. It's quite well packaged. I thought that was kind of neat. It is definitely pretty strong when it comes to attaching to the toolbox. It like pulls my arm in just to want to stick to the toolbox. And it takes a good probably, I don't know, 5 to 10 pounds of force for me to pull it off. This is the side of one of my fridges. Turn this real quick. It doesn't magnet as strong to my this fridge. What about this one? No, it's not very strong on the refrigerators. What about this one? It's not very strong on that one either. My oven. Oh, it's pretty strong on the oven. So it likes the toolbox and the oven. Oh man. Dang. That was pretty strong. Especially when it came to right here on the sticker. It was actually pretty strong, but on the side of my toolbox, I think it was a lot stronger on the side than the front of the toolbox. And I think it was pretty strong on the stove, but I wouldn't say it was very strong. So the stove was a lot stronger on the stove than it was on any of the refrigerators. They label this as a fishing magnet. I'm not really too sure what it means by fishing magnet. If anybody that watches my channel that likes fishing, please let me know if you know what the heck they mean by fishing magnet. I've gone fishing lots of times and I've never heard of a fishing magnet. It's a nice, decent, heavy-duty magnet. I'm going to be doing an actual review on it later on. A review video on it. This is just going to be like the unboxing and a quick little talk about it. So, thank you guys for watching, and a quick little demonstration. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Click the all button, and go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.